Hello, and welcome to the ArtAssist device instructional video. Over the next several minutes, you will learn how to properly assemble and use the ArtAssist device, as well as packing instructions when you are ready to return the rented device. We will start from the very beginning.
Hello, I have just received a big box from ACI Medical containing the ArtAssist device. How should I proceed?
Let's take a look at all the items in the box and see how their proper use will help you have the best experience possible with the ArtAssist device. You should keep all of these materials until you are ready to send the ArtAssist device back to ACI Medical. These are the contents of the box. Packing material. The white accessory box, which includes a manila envelope, the instructional DVD, cuffs, tubing sets, one power cord, and patient's instructions for use. Also, the ArtAssist controller. If you are renting the ArtAssist device, the cuffs are yours to keep, but all other items should be shipped back at the end of your rental agreement. Let's start with the manila envelope. It is extremely important that you look through the material in this envelope before setting up the ArtAssist device. In it, you will find a contents list, a copy of the rental or purchase agreement, safety and warnings guide, and packing instructions. If you are renting, the envelope will also include packing tape and a shipping label. You will also notice that there is packing foam and a large shipping box. Again, do not throw away either of these materials, as you will need them to send back the ArtAssist device to ACI Medical. Please call our toll-free number at 1-888-4-LEG-FLOW. That's 1-888-453-4356 if you encounter any issues with the ArtAssist device. In the next section, we will show you exactly how to set everything up when you want to start therapy.
What preparations should I make before I start therapy?
You first need to make sure you have these items ready. The ArtAssist controller, a comfortable upright chair which is not in a reclining position, the power cord, grounded electrical outlet, tubing sets, cuffs, and clean white socks. Place the ArtAssist controller next to a comfortable upright chair. Connect the power cord into the side of the ArtAssist controller and plug the other end into the grounded electrical outlet. Do not use a cheater. Now we're going to show you how to connect the tubing to the cuffs and to the ArtAssist controller. Plug the black end into the ArtAssist controller located on the side of the device. It is keyed to only go in one way. Please do not force it. Open the cuff and identify the calf component and the foot component. Note that the foot component looks like a sandal. Next, open the foot component. Lay the cuff down so the connecting ports are facing up. Now we are going to connect the tubing to the cuffs. Plug the tube labeled 2-foot cuff into the port located on the smaller foot component. You will notice that the white fittings have 3 barbs. Only the first barb is necessary to properly attach the tubing to the cuffs. Do not attempt to force the fittings into the cuff ports or they will be difficult to remove. Plug the tube labeled to calf cuff into the port located on the larger calf component. Repeat this process with the other cuff if prescribed by your doctor.
How do I put on the cuff?
First, you should inspect the skin on your legs before you put on the cuffs. Make sure you are wearing clean white socks. Place the cuff open on the floor with the hook tape facing up and the ports and tubing facing down. Center your foot over the foot component and bring the side straps over the top of your foot. All cuffs should be attached snugly, but not tightly. Bring the heel strap around the ankle and attach it. Now attach the calf component, centering the remaining cuff behind your calf. Attach the upper, then lower straps around the front of your leg. You have now finished putting on the cuffs. Please note, there are 2 connectors on the ArtAssist device, and both sides can be used.
How do I begin therapy?
Sitting in a comfortable upright chair with your feet on the floor, turn on the power switch, which is located on the front of the controller. You may be surprised at first by the initial compression, but the experience quickly becomes pleasantly therapeutic. Relax and let the ArtAssist do its work for the amount of time that your physician has prescribed. The controller will stop automatically after 1 hour therapy is completed. Please remain seated throughout the session. After use, turn the power switch off. Then remove the cuffs by detaching the calf component and then only the heel strap on the foot component. It is most convenient to leave the tubing in place. It is typically recommended to use the ArtAssist device 3 to 4 hours daily in 1 hour sessions. 1 hour in the morning, 1 hour in the afternoon, and 1 hour in the evening is ideal, unless otherwise directed by a physician. After use, turn the power switch off, remove the cuffs, and place the ArtAssist device in a safe place. Carefully inspect the skin under the cuffs and be sure to notify your physician immediately upon noticing any changes in the skin condition at or near the sites of the cuffs. This includes, but is not limited to, any rash, redness, blisters, and so on. While ACI Medical is willing to help you in any way with the ArtAssist device, ACI Medical does not provide medical advice.
What warnings should I be aware of concerning the ArtAssist device?
Do not walk with the cuffs on. Do not open the device. Do not operate near water. ArtAssist is an electrical device. Do not use on others without a prescription from a doctor. Keep out of reach of children. Do not elevate your legs during therapy. Just keep your feet on the floor.
What should I do when my rental agreement has ended?
When your prescribed treatment has ended, a customer service agent from ACI Medical will give you a call. At this point, you will have the option to renew your rental agreement, purchase the device, or send it back to ACI Medical. If you have decided to send back the ArtAssist device, here's what you should do. To ensure that the ArtAssist device arrives safely at ACI Medical, we ask that you repack the device using the following method. In the large shipping box, make sure one of the foam pieces is at the bottom and place the ArtAssist controller inside. Return the tubing set, instructional DVD, and power cord to the white accessory box. Place this box in the foam slot on the side. The remaining foam piece should be placed on top of the controller and the white accessory box. Do not return the cuffs. Remember, they are yours to keep. Use the clear tape provided in the manila envelope to seal the box. Call the shipping provider using the contact information on the shipping form in the manila envelope for pickup. It is best to follow your doctor's instructions. It's been a pleasure guiding you through the proper setup and usage of the ArtAssist device.